If you guys have watched me for any length of time, you guys already know I have so many Figma projects, and then I make another Figma project and my creative brain just goes boom, and all of these brilliant ideas, all designed to be real world projects, income generating, MVPs, prototypes, just get designed and one after the other get thrown into the same bucket pile, waiting for the day they'll get coded into something real. Like, I'll start with so much passion about getting this new thing made, create the entirety of the UI, and then put it in one corner and then just forget about it entirely. And that just happens because sometimes when you're a UI UX designer, your brain is naturally very creative, and you end up going from one thing to the next, and suddenly you realize eternity has passed, and I have a bucket full of all of these dream UIs put in backlog, and not one of them has reached the entire time process to go from code to production. And sometimes I'll just wish there was some magical solution to this entire painful problem of having a bunch of these Figma projects kept into the bucket and then just forgotten entirely. What if there was a way to get all of these projects out the door, coded, working in the market quickly? Even if it just gave me the bare bone code, personally, I would just take any solution I can get at this point. And I generally struggled with a lot of these Figma to code generation tools because, you know, if you've tried these, sometimes it just generates a bunch of spaghetti code, one div inside of another div inside of another div, and it's just nested component hell. And I don't want to do that. When I create a product, I want it to have quality even in the code that it runs on. And I genuinely went through the whole entire struggle of which one of these is the right one for me. How do I get access to all of the code that I absolutely need in order to launch these real world incredible UI design projects that I know have so much value and yet are going nowhere inside of my inbox? The solution to that problem is today's sponsor, Codigma.io. It turns out that was the solution I'd been waiting for all of this time. Codigma is literally a one-click platform to convert any of the UI design files you have into fully fledged working apps, websites, real world MVPs, things that you can throw out there on the internet. And today I want to show you how you can take your simple design files and turn them into actual working code bases for your apps and websites. So for this example, I'm going to take this simple app UI and I'm going to go ahead and generate the entire code base in a couple of clicks right here in front of you. So for this product, we're going to take this Figma file. Of course, the UIs are made, and then we're going to take Codigma because obviously that's the savior we need today, and we're going to use React Native. And for this project, I'm going to be keeping our app made in React Native, but you can actually generate code bases in the entire array of technologies. You've got HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, Vue, and even React Native, because of course we're going to be talking about React Native today. But you can also use Flutter to generate Apple Android apps, which is a personal favorite of mine. So let's just take the simple app UI in Figma, get the React Native code done, because I am dying to get this app made into a real UI finally. The whole process is dead simple, and it literally opens a whole damn code editor inside of the Codigma platform. And this is such a miracle. How is this happening? We're starting 2026. In fact, it hasn't even started yet, and AI is already genuinely becoming such a very, very needed tool now. It literally opens a whole damn code editor inside of the Codigma platform with live updates. You just need to click on a button to install all of the dependencies that you don't know about that the platform might need on its own. So you just need to click a button and all of the dependency code base worries go away with that immediately. This is incredible because one of my primary concerns when I go to a site and generate a code base from Figma is you don't exactly get the live preview, so you don't even know if the code actually works or not. Codigma is very trustworthy because you can see right here in its code editor what's going on, a platform with live updates, an actual working code base. It is incredible. It's literally state of the art, super accurate, and just the perfect bridge even if you don't know a lot of code, because it leverages AI to give you semantic code which you can understand, I can understand. It does the code generation right, and it is so simple. It just happened in minutes while I was talking to you guys. You can install whatever latest dependencies it needs with the simple click of a button. Bada boom, bada bam. Congratulations, you have a working app in React Native with the entirety of the code base generated in Codigma from your Figma UI file. How easy was that? Someone should throw me a damn party for all that hard work. Thanks to Codigma. What boggles my mind with the speed and the adaptability of Codigma is it can generate code in seconds and in all major languages for all major softwares in 2026. It is just so easy. You guys will just immediately fall in love with how fast this platform is. Go check it out, and if you click on the link in my description, the first 50 of you will get 50% off thanks to the incredible team at Codigma. Alright, love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe.